Welcome to the 4 Points by Sheraton, Bali Seminyak. It's right here behind me. And wait until you see this lobby. My name is Nick Gray. I tour hotels all around the world. I pay for them myself. And I'm going to give you a behind-the-scenes tour of this hotel as a guest to show you what is inside. I just stayed at the A-Loft last night in Seminyak, and I already love this lobby even more. Come and join me. I'll show you inside my room, around the gym, the breakfast buffet, all that stuff. Let's go inside right now. Pow. Here we are right outside. Now let me show you the street because I like to show you what's on the street. And different from the A-Loft, this is a bit quieter out here. We are not as much in the hustle and the bustle. But wow, the entrance is so nice. Even this stonework, it just feels, I don't know. Is it silly for me to think that a 4 Points can be this nice? Perhaps I need to go to more of them. Hello. So I'm going to show you the lobby as I'm checking me in. It's actually checking me in right over here. But this is the incredible lobby, and look how nice it is. Even with all these seated areas, I'm going to zoom in on this so you can see how nice it might be to hang out, do a little work, rest with your family here when you come. Look, are these even, is this Jeff Koons? Please tell me in the comments if you know who this artist is, but that's pretty neat. I like to see that. Well, over in this area here in the back, it looks like it could be a restaurant or a lounge area. So please allow me to take you back here. It is, in fact, this is Diwali inside the lobby. Now, we're going to go and see my room. I'm going to show you everything, but let me just show you this because, hello, this is pretty cool. This looks nice. And look out onto the pool. Like, this is why you want to come here, right? Can you imagine breakfast here? Oh my gosh, this pool. Oh my Lord. This is so nice. I cannot wait to see. This is so nice. What if I got one of those rooms? If you watch my other video, the A-Loft, I did get one of those rooms there, but this is so cool. Well, if you're planning a trip to Bali, will you let me know when down in the comments? And I'm going to go up to the room now, I think. Let me go get checked in, and I'll go up to the room and show you a tour of what that looks like. Room 568. Let's go in. Now, I have been upgraded to a junior suite. Hello, here's me. I've been upgraded to a junior suite, and I will show you how nice and large this room is. I can already tell you that compared to the A-Loft, this is so much nicer and so much bigger. However, as you're gonna see, I do not have a bathrobe, and I'm just so upset that there's no bathrobe. Here's our bathroom. Now, we have the nice overhead shower compartment, the bath products. If you've stayed at these hotels, you know this will be rather normal to you, but let me show you that. We've got 2 showers over here, 1 single sink, plenty of amenities on the amenity kit here. People always ask me about the amenity kit. They say, show me the different things in the amenity kit. Many toothbrushes, ear things. There's even a comb over there. Common soap. Now the bathtub is nice. I really like the bathtub. This is an electric motor thing, but let's go see the room. The room is why you're here for. While I'm here, I'm just gonna peek into the closet to show you what I'm so sad about. Many hangers, but unfortunately, there is no bathrobe. There's no bathrobe. I'm so sad that there's no bathrobe. This one is funny. This is a completely dead empty closet. This just seems funny. That, you know what would be nice in that closet is some bathrobes. I'm sorry to be salty. The junior suite has the full couch with the television that's on. This television rotates so you can watch. Let me just show you the outdoors because it is so nice out here. Look at this view, please. I have the garden view room. This is the garden view at the 4 Points by Sheraton in Bali, Seminyak. This garden view is different from that pool room that I showed you at the introduction, but I'll tell you what, I'm still happy with it. I'm still very happy with it. Can you see all the koi that are down there? Please allow me to zoom in real quick so you can see these fish. Those fish, just imagine, I'd get in so much trouble just throwing them little hot dogs down there. You're welcome, guys. Okay, here's the room now, looking out into this beautiful area. Really nice view. Let's go back into the room. Here's the king-size bed. One of the first things we do on the Nick Gray Hotel tours is we look to see what type of plugs and ports we see next by. Now, this is one of the first times I've seen the switch labeled as master switch. and I really appreciate that when it's laid out. Now, what I don't see here is, do we have any USB ports? There's one USB port in the back of this, and that's about it. I accidentally turned it on. Not too nice of a stereo. Oh, I hate to say it, but this is a little bit of an older room. I appreciate the nice touch. Nice pillows. The room looks nice. This is beautiful. I prefer this style compared to what we saw at the A-Loft. I like this style, but it is a little more, oh, look at this. I love to see it. 2 USB ports, even if they are the old style USB, I still appreciate having those ports. Because if you're like me, you oftentimes forget what is inside and forget a charger or something like that. Well, here we have this espresso machine. I love to see this. We've got some, do we have any other ones? That's funny. If they only give you one, please tell me that they gave another one. They did not give another one. Well, if I was a coffee drinker and I had a guest with me, I would be very upset. We have some tea packets here, some English breakfast tea, and some other teas. What do you like to see from this area? Let me know in the comments and I'll start to include these in other ones. I appreciate that. Multiple water bottles. Are these waters included? Do not accept if seal is broken. I believe they are. They're 4 Points brand, and usually those waters are included, complimentary. A refrigerator for your use to put anything that you would like in there. And that's about it for this room tour. I think I'm gonna wrap up. I will show you more tomorrow morning as we go down to breakfast and see the gym. Now I'm gonna get tidy up and head to bed. I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. I slept great last night. I noticed something, that the room does not have a desk for working. I'm a little bit upset about that. I had to sit over here on the sofa. I did sleep good though. The nice air conditioning went super low. I'm gonna head to the gym now. Let's go check it out. Okay, here is the breakfast. Let me show you. We're up on the 6th floor and I will walk around to show you what this lounge is like. Good morning. Well, at the breakfast buffet, good morning. You can see some fruits and some juices over here. Wow, look at this area. Look at all these fruits. Okay, I like that. Back behind was where the eggs were. I'm going to show you that. Oh my God, is this the tea? I'm definitely going to need some of that before I go to the gym. Here's some different fruits. I do see some dragon fruits. Do you know how to eat these dragon fruits, by the way? They're quite good. What I was looking for, though, was bananas, and I don't see any bananas. I'm going to have to look. Well, there's some nice seating out here. You can see folks are enjoying beautiful balcony with that really nice view. But let's just look over here to see more of the food. You can see some white bread and toast. Some other things, egg baguettes. What is this one over here? Steamed cassava, sweet corn. Wow. So this is probably, oh, is that bananas? Okay, that is bananas, I think. All right, so maybe I can eat those bananas. The reason I want bananas, by the way, is because I'm going to the gym and I want to just have some carbs. But I don't want these carbs. This carbs does look good. Look at all these things. Okay, now let's get into the big of it, okay? Balsamic mix of sauteed mushrooms. Grilled, oh my Lord. Is that with chicken? I don't know if it's with chicken. Grilled tomatoes. Look, I think if you're coming to this hotel and you're planning your trip for Bali, this is going to be a very nice breakfast. Now, I was able to get breakfast included because I am Titanium Elite member. So that was really nice. Here's some other stuff. Let me go and show you one more, the thing that was here in the very back. Looks like that's the coffee bar there, which is cool. Will always look at me. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Okay, here's where the setup is. What do we have here? We have egglets, eggplant masala. Oh my gosh, this is actually way bigger than the selection was at the A-Loft, the other hotel that I went to at Seminyak. And you can see that there's a lot of dietary, vegetarian sort of options here, but it looks like this is where you would get your eggs and your meat. And oh, wow, I had that stuff when I was on my hike in the jungle. Some fish balls. That looks fantastic. Good morning. Green bean. Wow, and they list which ones are eggless, which is pretty cool. Yellow rice and steamed rice. Okay, you know what's up. This is a very good breakfast selection. I'm giving it a very high rating. Let me now go to the gym for real. Here is the gym. Let's go inside. And my new friend from Amsterdam is over here. What's up, dude?
Good, bro.
So here's the gym at this hotel. You can see there's a lot more equipment. If you are a weightlifter, I think you will like this. I appreciate seeing the squat rack over here. Not a lot of cardio equipment compared to the Aloft. We have the 2 treadmills, the 1 elliptical. I guess it's about the same. What I will say is this. If you're a weightlifter, you're probably going to like this gym better than the Aloft. And if you appreciate doing those hard workouts, it's visually not as appealing. Here's all the weights. You can see it goes from 2.5 kilograms. The maximum weight it looks like is, I'm thinking those are probably, that's 20s. That might be 25s. That's 22 and a half. We have the 2 balls. It is nice to see the bench over there. So this is a good gym. Oh, they do have the water here, which the water station is really nice. The gym is fine. I think it has the functional things for what you would want. But what I want to show you is the pool. So let's go out to the pool right now. Dang it. It's like it's blocked off over here. It says do not enter. I'm just going to give you a little peek from this way. I'm probably going to get in trouble because that's somebody's room. Wait 1 second. Let me walk around to the pool. I found it. The pool is right across from the lobby, and it is right here. Can you see this? So I'm going to show you how to get down there, into the lobby, across that restaurant I showed you that I said was good for working, and right down these stairs, and then right down these stairs into the pool. Well, I really like these layout lounge mats that you can see. There's a lot of them. The time now is around 9 o'clock in the morning. People are already getting set up. You have a little waiting pool area over here. You can see maybe for children, and then a really long pool for swimming. I should ask them how large this pool is. Well, I didn't end up getting one of those room-side, poolside rooms last night. The pool is open, by the way, from 7 a.m. Good morning. From 7 a.m. until 7 p.m., I believe. But I imagine if you're right next to it, you can just sleep whenever you want. Excellent pool, 1.2 meters or 4 feet deep. Wow, 2 thumbs up. While I'm here, let me show you a little bit more of these seated little lounge chases that you can lean and relax against. You can see where the guys go, and this is where you get the towels to lay out. There's another lounge area back there. And it looks like this is a bar, Splash Bar, that is open right here. Not right now, it's a little too early. Wow, that's neat. I've never seen that before, that they list the pH and the chlorine levels each day right here. Well, that's where you get the towels. The bar is here. More lounge area. And then this view to enjoy the pool and maybe to swim some laps. Well, I went to the gym. The gym, by the way, there were 3 of us in there, and it was not so nice. It's just crowded. So the gym, I really expected for a huge hotel like this, for the gym to be a bit larger. Let me do a recap right over here. This is my recap of the 4 points by Sheraton, Bali, Seminyak. The gym was a little bit too small, okay? I mentioned that. It was fine if you're the only person, but I found it too small. I missed the workstation from the rooms. I couldn't work at my desk, and I wanted to be able to do that. However, I loved the much larger room than the Aloft. Tough trade-off. The breakfast selection, better here than at the Aloft. You saw the breakfast buffet, very good, so I like that. The general grounds feel much quieter here. The Aloft is a party hotel. This one is not. It feels more quiet. I even heard some roosters this morning, but that was only when I had the window open. Well, in general, by the way, I didn't say this before, but I make a book that teaches you how to travel the world and host events. I think hosting events is the best way to meet new people whenever you travel, and even in your hometown to meet your neighbors and your colleagues. The name of the book is The 2-Hour Cocktail Party. You can look it up on Amazon or Audible. You can even listen to the first few chapters here on my YouTube channel. If you're planning a trip to Bali, just say hello and let me know if you like this video. I make these for fun, for free, just to show people the hotels I stay at. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow.